Alright guys, last time Richie and I played Shatong, this time me versus Raymond.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Sige, okay. Yep. Fight! Butang ya, butang.
Okay.
Oh!
That was close. So now I can hit it, right? Yeah. He came this close from hitting it.
Samparibot.
Samparibot, bro. Put there, the BB.
Like this?
Yeah, samparibot.
Okay.
Dito tayo, dito. Yo, fighting. Si kuya. Yeah. Samparibot so. Oy, Berat.
Now what?
No. Again. One. Up. Bang. Whoa. Yo. Count. Oh, count.
Alright, so since I hit it out here, you get to count from there to the base with this. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29. Alright. So we just go again? Okay. 29-0.
29-0. Sige. Up.
Oh!
Huh?
You didn't catch it!
Butang.
Alright, so now he's gonna try to hit this. Oh. So the next step again, I gotta put it down like this, and then I hit it.
Yep. Pull. Return. Limit.
3, okay.
Oh, so last one.
Last one. Alright, my last chance.
Last life.
My last life.
Whoop. Pull.
Alright, 29.
30.
So this one's a short one. So 29,
30.
30, 30, 34. 34. Oh, 33.
33. Berat.
33. Alright. 33-0.
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Whoop. 20.
Alright, he missed. Oh. 33-0. Alright. Alright, it's 33-0.
It's my turn. Bang.
Strike one.
Oh. 34. 0.
34.
5. 36. 37. 37.
Alright, 37-0.
Oh, 37-0.
We're going to 100?
1.
Alright, 37-0, we're going to 100.
Oh, yeah.
Oh! Nice job, bro.
20, it's my turn.
Alright, since he hit the stick,
20.
it's my turn to be in the outfield.
Shatong. M-I-N-O-Y. So.
Alright, I think Raymond's a cheater. Are you allowed to do that? Alright, I guess I didn't know you're allowed to hit it to the left and right. Raymond doesn't tell me all the details of the game. But now I have to throw it to try to hit it over there. Hey! All right. All right, ready?
Ready? Oh, ho, ho.
Oh!
1, 2,
2.
22.
Oh, yeah. Ang tayo kita na dyan. Up!
Oh!
Sampar ba? Oh! Double!
Kamay ako ihaplo, baby.
Oh!
So I count using the baby.
All right, so he got a double hit. So he's gonna count using the smaller stick, so he gets more points. So if you double hit it, it's better because you get more points.
Yeah.
Not good for me.
22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 9, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 9, 50, 1, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58.
All right.
Kuhaan lang ko rin ta. Shatong.
68.
37.
Oh!
Pila.
Brilliant mind. So,
Pila.
57.
36 ya. 30.
57.68. All right, Raymond just hit that. I caught it, so I get an extra 20 points.
plus 20. 68 plus 20. 88.
Oh, ite.
If you hit it,
Yeah, I know.
Oh, no.
no. Close.
Comparable.
Close, but no.
One. Tabi, oy. Tabi mo. May gumawa na. Up. Double. Bang.
All right, so I have 57,
58. 59. 60.
60,
61. 61.
61. All right.
68.
61, 68. Right there, right there. No.
Ite.
88, bro. Bro. Are you in the Shatong?
Shatong.
From there.
Awak dia bawa ko anak. Ay.
Brilliant mind.
Pila yan? 80. 81. 81. 81. 81.
81? How much she have?
88.
81, 88. Wow. It's a close game. Ready?
Lalo Amerikano.
Oh, that doesn't count. No! He's a cheater. He did not catch that. You're a cheater. You gotta watch out for Raymond. He's kind of a cheater. What are you doing sneaking up? Hey, you kids better watch him. He's a cheater.
Sorry, bro.
Bonita good lamit to pero papa ni mo lamay.
Yes. All right.
Comparable. Balik.
Blow 3 times. Sorry, bro.
Shatong. Shatong.
Right?
Naaya, naaya.
Now, yaman. Ano, bigyan.
Anak niya ba? Anak niya.
Anak, hindi mo din
Hindi
anak
niya
ito.
masaya kay si Shatong. Kumasaw niya yung gana niya ba?
Pumasaan niya yung gana kay ikaw mo Shatong.
Bro,
Shatong.
you win if you catch this.
Basa-basa biyan na niya kay ikaw mo Shatong.
Bansay ka na sa.
Sa odaro. No, tato.
I had it. I had it. Alright, I had my chance. It slipped right through my fingers. So now he's gonna hit it from there. And I have to yell, Shatong, Milo!
Yeah.
Whoever he hits it from. Alright.
Oh, walk only. Walk only.
So what was the final score?
108.
108 to 88?
M-I-L-O Milo Shatong. Walk only.
And we're gonna walk the whole way?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna try to walk and do it.
Okay.
Ready? Go.
M-I-L-O
M-I-L-O Shatong! I'm out of breath. Good game, bro. Whew. Alright guys, this is the second game. It's 50-91. My lead. I didn't record the beginning, but this is hopefully the last hit. I have 91, Raymond has 50. Woo! Yes! Yes! That was close. It was in his fingertips. Watch out! Yeah, everybody watch out! All right. All right, this could be game over right now, hopefully.
Whoa! Shatong, Shatong.
All right.
3, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 11, 12, 13, 14.
114 to 50?
Yeah.
All right, now I Shatong over here, right?
Yeah.
So if you catch it, I lose?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna hit this. If he catches it, he actually wins. But if you lose it, then I'll hit it again for the Shatong. All right, so now I'm gonna Shatong, or hit it, and then he's gonna yell Shatong. So whenever I hit this, he has to yell Shatong.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Whoa!
All right, so we're tied 1-1.
1-1.
I think we might have a rematch another day. It's really hot right now.
Yeah. I'm turning black.
Yeah.
I'm black already.
And your shirt's turning white.
M-I-L-O Shatong.
He's doing the army crawl. Oh. All right, bro. That is a fun game. That's one of my favorite games so far. Philippine games. Oh. I can't wait to go home and show all my friends that game. That's pretty cool. That's a really fun game. Once you know all the rules and it becomes like automatic and you're just going back and forth, that's really fun.
Maybe tomorrow again.
All right. I think we need more players. We can get Richie, Francis, and a whole bunch of people.
Yeah.
What's a good number? Like 3 and 3, 4 and 4?
We can do that.
All right. And this is a good, nice field here. Or we can go somewhere else.
Me, Baludoy, and the relatives there.
Okay.
You and Richie.
Me and Richie versus you and. All right.